Let's do another one. Why? Because you asked for it. Yay. Okay. Look, here's a tan one. Now we got to, oh my goodness, tan ones. That means we're going to use the ugly ones. We're going to use these two. One of these two. I don't know which one we're going to use. Ugh. But here's something that you want to keep in the back of your mind. If at all possible, try to do the tan of pi over 4 or the tan of 45 degrees. One of the reasons why is because, look, this is the easiest value to figure the tan out for, isn't it? You know and I know that's going to be 1. That's why we kind of look at that tan idea and make sure that, if we can figure it out into that, it's going to make life, and especially these equations, a whole heck of a lot easier, aren't they? Okay, so let's go and figure it out. All right, here we go. Ready? Okay, first things first. Yeah, you got to convert. Sucks. Okay, but no problem. Let's do the conversion on a scrap piece of paper here. On the bottom goes the rads. On the top goes the degrees. 180 degrees gives you pi rads, right? Okay, perfect. Let's cancel out the pi's. Perfect. So it's 11 times 180 over 12. You actually work that out. Surprisingly enough, this works out to be 165 degrees. Nice. So what we're going to do is try to figure out 165 degrees. And again, keep it in the back of your mind. Somewhere in the back of your mind, try to get 45 in there. If you get 45 in there, it becomes really easy because if you think about it, then it's 120 degrees, which we know, right? Plus 45 degrees, which is that simple one we love to work with. Okay, so now convert it back into radians. 120 degrees. Do you remember what 120 degrees is? Yeah, neither do I, but that's why I'm going to put it out here. Oh, 120 degrees is that guy right here. So, of course, that's going to be our 2 pi over 3. Sweet. 45 degrees, yeah, that's the one right smack in the middle, right? That's going to be our pi over 4. Sweet. Now, here we go. So tan of 11 pi over 12 is actually the tan of 2 pi over 3 plus pi over 4. Beautiful. It's some identity, so we're going to use this guy. Okay, well, let's get rid of our scrap paper here just by cleaning up our values real quick like, and that way we're not distracted. Excellent. So we're using this guy. So for A, 2 pi over 3. So that's going to be 2 pi over 3. Oh my goodness, that's going to be 2 pi over 3. For our B value now, that's going to be pi over 4, and that's going to be pi over 4. Oh, nasty. Let's go. Let's go. So we got tan of 2 pi over 3, right, plus tan of pi over 4 over 1 minus tan of 2 pi over 3 times tan of pi over 4. Do you remember why we chose pi over 4? That becomes 1, making this a whole heck of a lot easier. Now, the tan of 2 pi over 3. Okay, let's write it out here. 2 pi over 3 is the thin one right there. That's going to be, right, minus a half root 3 over 2. And again, if you can't remember the tan of 2 pi over 3, right, at that point, remember you can always take the sine, root 3 over 2, divided by the cosine, which is negative a half. Remember, you can reciprocate this, root 3 over 2 times negative 2 over 1. Those cancel out to give you negative root 3. If you haven't had that memorized by now, you haven't done enough problems. Honestly, you really haven't done enough questions. Go out and do some more questions, and you're going to see you'll just automatically remember this. So what do we have? This guy is now, think about it, is negative root 3 plus, there's the 1, plus 1 over 1 minus, oh, look what you got here. That's so cool. That's 1 minus, oh, it's negative root 3, right, times 1. Oh my goodness, that's just too easy to figure out from that point on, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay, oh, a little too far. There we go. So on top, I got minus root 3 plus 1 over 1, negative, negative, makes it a positive, root 3 times 1. There's our answer. Yippee skippy, we are done. So that's how you do these really, really, really weird looking ones. Now, one extra thing though, I just want to put into this here is that in your textbook, you may not see it written that way. Or even on a multiple choice on an exam or a diploma, you may not see it written that way. You'll actually see it written as 1 minus root 3 over 1 plus root 3. Why? Because they don't like to lead with a negative. Yeah, I don't know why, but that's probably technically the way you're going to see it on an exam. Okay? Okay.